Imagine a world where your stress melts away with every step you take, where sunlight dances on leaves, birdsong fills the air, and your heart finds peace. Science reveals that nature isn't just beautiful, it's healing. Discover how time spent outdoors can lower stress, boost happiness, and transform your life. Stay tuned to uncover the hidden power of fresh air. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into living healthier and happier. In the heart of a bustling city, there lived a young woman named Elena who had grown accustomed to the relentless rhythm of urban life. Her days were filled with deadlines, crowded subway rides, and the constant hum of technology. She rarely paused to notice the sky above or the trees lining her street. Over time, this lifestyle began to weigh heavily on her. Fatigue crept in, her patience grew thin, and an unshakable sense of unease settled over her like a shadow. One day, while scrolling through social media during yet another late-night work session, she stumbled upon an article claiming that spending time in nature could reduce stress and improve mood. Skeptical but desperate for relief, she decided to give it a try. The next morning, instead of heading straight to her office, Elena took a detour to a nearby park. At first, the change felt strange, almost foreign. The chirping of sparrows replaced the blaring horns of taxis, and the scent of freshly cut grass mingled with the crisp autumn breeze. As she walked along winding paths lined with golden maple trees, something shifted inside her. Her shoulders relaxed, her breathing slowed, and a quiet calm washed over her. It wasn't magic, it was biology. Studies have shown that being surrounded by greenery triggers the release of serotonin, often referred to as the feel-good hormone, which helps regulate mood and combat anxiety. For Elena, this revelation came not from reading research papers, but from experiencing its effects firsthand. As weeks turned into months, Elena made visiting the park part of her routine. Each visit became a ritual, a sacred moment carved out of her chaotic schedule to reconnect with herself and the natural world around her. She noticed subtle changes in her behavior and mindset. Tasks that once seemed insurmountable now felt manageable. Conversations flowed more easily, laughter returned to her lips, and even sleep came more naturally at night. What started as a simple experiment had blossomed into a lifeline, pulling her back from the brink of burnout and reminding her of the beauty waiting just beyond her apartment walls. Elena's newfound appreciation for nature led her to explore further, venturing beyond the confines of the city park to places untouched by concrete and steel. On weekends, she began hiking in nearby forests, where towering pines stretched toward the heavens and streams whispered secrets to those willing to listen. Here, amidst the wilderness, she discovered what researchers call forest bathing, a practice rooted in Japanese culture known as Shinrin-yoku-dash. This immersive experience involves soaking in the atmosphere of the forest, engaging all five senses to fully absorb its restorative powers. During one particularly memorable hike, Elena found herself standing at the edge of a secluded lake. The water mirrored the sky, creating an illusion of infinite space. A gentle wind rustled the leaves overhead, sending ripples across the surface below. In that moment, she felt profoundly connected, not only to the earth beneath her feet but also to something greater, something intangible yet undeniably real. Scientists attribute such feelings to the reduction of cortisol levels, the hormone responsible for stress, when people immerse themselves in natural environments. But for Elena, it was more than numbers and data. It was a spiritual awakening, a reminder that she was part of a vast, interconnected web of life. Back home, she noticed these excursions left lasting imprints on her daily existence. Colors appeared brighter, sounds clearer, and emotions richer. Even mundane tasks like grocery shopping or folding laundry took on new meaning, infused with a sense of purpose and gratitude. Nature, she realized, didn't just heal her body, it awakened her soul. And as winter approached, blanketing the landscape in snow, she embraced the season's challenges with renewed vigor. Snowshoeing under starlit skies became her favorite pastime, proving that nature's benefits weren't confined to warm weather alone. By spring, Elena's transformation was undeniable. Friends remarked on her radiant smile and infectious energy. Colleagues marveled at her ability to remain composed under pressure. Yet perhaps the most significant change occurred within her own mind. Gone were the days of dreading Mondays or counting down the hours until Friday. Instead, she approached each day with curiosity and enthusiasm, eager to see what adventures awaited her both indoors and out. Her journey into nature hadn't merely alleviated stress, it had reshaped her perspective on life itself. Inspired by her experiences, Elena began sharing her story with others. Through social media posts and casual conversations, She encouraged friends and strangers alike to step outside and breathe deeply. Some followed her lead, reporting similar improvements in their mental health. Others expressed skepticism, dismissing her anecdotes as mere coincidence. Undeterred, Elena continued advocating for the healing power of nature, citing studies that linked outdoor activities to reduced symptoms of depression, improved focus, and enhanced creativity. Her passion eventually led her to volunteer at local environmental organizations, planting trees and cleaning up parks. These efforts deepened her connection to the land and reinforced her belief in the symbiotic relationship between humans and the environment. After all, nurturing nature meant nurturing oneself. By summer's end, Elena stood atop a hill overlooking a thriving community garden she'd helped create. Sunlight bathed her face, and a soft breeze carried the scent of blooming flowers. In that moment, she understood that true wellness wasn't about escaping reality. It was about finding harmony within it. So whether you're wandering through a forest, strolling along a beach, or simply sitting beneath a tree in your backyard, remember that nature is always ready to welcome you. Its embrace is free, yet priceless. Take a step outside today. You might be surprised at how much lighter you feel. If you enjoyed this story and want to learn more about living a balanced, fulfilling life, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Together, let's embark on a journey toward better health, one breath of fresh air at a time.